In this video, we're going over how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 6a. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne, and the video today I'm going to walk you through how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 6a. There's a few different ways to do this. I'm going to start with the traditional way, which is holding down on the power and the volume down button for 1 second. And this is going to trigger our screenshot. So power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold and let it go. You'll hear the sound. You'll see this pop up. That's how you know your screenshot was successful. And from here, you can crop the picture, you can write on the picture or circle something. And when you're finished, you can come up to the upper left corner and tap on the save button and it will save it in your Google Photos. So that's the traditional way to do it. The other way to do it, which is even easier than that, is let's say we're going to just move over a page. I want to screenshot this page. I'm going to basically swipe up and hold to get to my recent apps. And then at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a screenshot option down here. I'm going to tap on screenshot and it will take a screenshot of that page. Now here's the thing, this is a little different in that you can't take a screenshot of like your home screen, but you can take a screenshot of any of the apps that you have open. So just to show you one more time, if I swipe up, if I swipe through here, go to any one of these apps, right now I could take a screenshot of my Instagram page if I wanted to, just by tapping on the screenshot. So you just need to be on the app that you want to screenshot and then hit the button and it will screenshot that page. So important thing to note, the first method I showed you, holding the buttons, you can screenshot any page, even the home screen. The second method, which is swiping up and holding and then tapping the screenshot, will only screenshot whatever app you were currently using at the time. So again, whatever app I select up here, it will screenshot that page just like that. Hope you guys found that helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.